who, who has really kind of helped us, and she's consented to be here with us today. She's just had the immersive experience, and I'll let her share more about what she felt about the film.
Hi guys, thank you all for coming. I'm really excited for the release of the film, obviously Resident Evil, the final chapter, a conclusion to a 10-year-long journey, and I'm sure it's going to be great. But what really caught my eye was this experience, the haptic technology, which is coming to India for the first time, and I'm quite a gaming buff myself, so I had to be here. बहुत मज़ा आया. I think आप सबको try करना चाहिए ये experience with the virtual reality experience of it all, and काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा आपको. So yeah, I felt I'm wearing this vest और ये gun मेरे हाथ में था और ऐसे लग रहा था कि zombies attack कर रहे हैं मुझ पर, और जब भी अटैक कर रहे थे तो वेस्ट में वाइब्रेशंस होती थी, तो ऐसे लग रहा है सच्ची में आके कोई मुझे काट रहा है.
In fact, in the film, the character is somebody who's extremely fearless and somebody who speaks a mind. And we thought that, Sonakshi, nobody better than you who can actually epitomize somebody who's fearless and who speaks a mind. And this is what actually, and you really kind of agreed to help us there. So really, really, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
We've actually got a clip of the experience that Sonakshi just went through. And believe you me, I've been through it myself as well, and it's really fantastic. All of you guys should also experience it. It's switched off her bullets so that when the zombie attacks her, she feels that she's getting attacked by her. And it's it's an experience that places you in the film. So you all must try it. It's the first time ever done in India. And, it's something that our Japanese engineers from Sony have actually conceived this. So
And they're really, really good. Huh? I mean, it was a real fun,
Thank
proper
you. Thank
experience.
you. Thank you very much. Yeah. So over to you guys, and thanks a lot for coming, and hope you can share this.
Hello. Some action. How does that make you feel?
It feels great. I am actually here with a purpose in mind to secure my place if Sony Pictures is planning on making a franchise like this in India. I'm the go-to girl and I look good in leather pants, so keep that in mind. But honestly, I love action films. I love to watch them. In fact, zombie films happen to be one of my favorite genres to watch. So I'm really glad that I could be here and have this entire experience. And hopefully, I really hope, wish and pray that we can get such films to be made in India very, very soon. And if that happens, I would love to be a part of it.
Also the fact that, it's given the fact that the way the situation is these days, women do need to kick some serious action. Do you think so?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I believe we have started, even in the industry. I think girls are doing really, really good and kicking some major butt. So I hope that we carry on in that direction and continue to rise higher and higher.
And Vivek, one question for you. I mean, it's open for you guys. If you have any questions.
सोनाक्षी आलोक है. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि अगर ऐसी कोई गन मिले और ज़ॉम्बीज ना हो, उनके अलावा कोई और हो, तो आप किसको अपने गन के सामने रखना चाहेंगी?
अगर zombies ना हो तो और कौन हो? बड़ा वायलेंट सवाल पूछ रहे हो आलोक. हाइपोथेटिकली आप लोग मुझे शूट करते हैं, मैं आपको शूट करूंगी.
लेकिन ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट था, आपने अभी मारे बहुत सारे ज़ॉम्बीज को, ये कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत ही आई थिंक ज़ॉम्बी फिल्म्स मुझे देखना बहुत पसंद है. आई रियली एंजॉय वाचिंग ज़ॉम्बी फिल्म्स, और ये एक बहुत ही लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग फ्रेंचाइज है 10 सालों से, एंड फाइनली इसका फाइनल चैप्टर अभी रिलीज़ होने वाला है. सो इट्स बिग डील फॉर सोनी पिक्चर्स एज वेल. मुझे मज़ा आता है ये सब देख के. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस फिल्म, एंड या
और किस तरीके के गेम्स हैं जो आपको खेलना पसंद है?
Sports वाले, football, I like playing simulation games. It's the Sims है game का नाम जो मैं बहुत खेलती थी, अब भी खेलती हूँ कभी कभी. So yeah, I enjoy gaming. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Hi, Sonakshi.
Hi.
Yeah, I think as you mentioned in the start, this is a film franchise which is perhaps waiting to be adapted in India. With the way, I mean, there's a female protagonist, she's kicking and punching and shooting. You think something like this can be made for the Indian audience as well?
Like I said, I hope so. There was an attempt a few years back which was Go Goa Gone. It had zombies in it.
Right.
And I feel that was a really good attempt. We, sort of kind of moved in that direction. But I would love, like I said before, for something like that to happen in India. I hope we reach that level of visuals, that we see in Hollywood films, the technology that we see in Hollywood films. And I hope that that can come here very, very soon. And if that happens, I'm ready to kick some zombie.
You know, Indian audiences' tastes are changing, as you've seen over the last year or so. And, there is always, they want to seek out some content that's different, that's unique. And like Sonakshi just said that, actresses today are performing better than ever. And there's an opportunity that a commercial film like this can definitely go out there and become successful. So yeah, so Sonakshi, if we ever do make this film, definitely on for it.
You know where to go.
Done.
Hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
If we see the trend in last few years, Hollywood films are also doing good business in India. So how do you see that? Do you see that as a threat to the industry, or do you see that it is a good thing because audiences will get more choices and it will lead to better films being made in Bollywood as well?
Well, that's a very, very positive way to look at it, that we need to start, we need to move towards making a lot of good content that people would like to go and watch. But I'm glad that I think every film should do well. Yeah, why not? We have a huge audience. The way things are going right now, it shows that the audiences are opening up and wanting to watch new things on screen. So if they're doing well, let them. सबका भला हो, but अपना थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो.
Sorry, I'd just like to add to that, the whole comparison कि अगर Hollywood film अच्छी करेगी तो यार Bollywood को नुकसान होगा, ये ऐसे नहीं होता. It never happens like this. In fact, the market grows. Together, I think the whole idea is that when Hollywood films do well, Bollywood films do well, the entire market together gets buoyant. And that's the whole attempt with films like, when you see films like getting dubbed in different languages, the attempt is to go deeper and reach as many more people as possible. So for example, Resident Evil is getting dubbed in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. The idea is not to kind of impact the films in those markets, but to reach out to audiences and grow the market collectively, create a movie-going habit, get people into the theaters, because at the end of the day, that's what our business is. We want more and more people to come into theaters, and more films that actually create good content will actually do that. So I don't think it's either or, I think it's together. That's the basic thought behind it.
And Sonakshi, how open are you to lend your voice? I mean, dub for the films, dub for Hollywood films. You have done for an animated
Yeah,
film.
I have actually. It's a very fun experience. At least the animation that I dubbed for was a very, very fun experience. I would like to, why not? We are artists. We can, portray our talents in many, many different ways, whether it is actually being on screen or behind it. So I would love to dub for a film if that came along my way sometime. Yeah.
Sonakshi here. Now, speaking about Bollywood films, there are like two big releases that happened last week, Race and Kabul. So which one have you watched or you're going to watch?
I actually haven't watched either, but I want to watch both. So hopefully soon I'll end up catching both.
Okay, guys, on that note, thank you very much for. There's the last question, okay.
सोनाक्षी,
Hi. Hi.
आपने कहा कि अगर रेजिडेंट इविल यहाँ बॉलीवुड में बनती है या ऐसी कोई फिल्म बॉलीवुड में बनती है तो आप करना चाहेंगी. हॉलीवुड फिल्म करने के बारे में क्या ख्याल, आप रेडी हैं उसके लिए?
मैं यहाँ बहुत खुश हूँ. आप मुझे क्यों भेजना चाहती है वहाँ पर, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. मतलब मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ पे, जो काम मैं यहाँ पर कर रही हूँ. मैंने सोचा नहीं है, बट जो वहाँ पर जा रहे हैं मैं उनके लिए भी बहुत खुश हूँ, जो काम वो कर रहे हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई एम हैप्पी ओवर हियर. सो let's see what the future holds. You can never say.
Well, all the best to you, Sonakshi. And thank you
you.
everyone for joining us today. The whole game setup is going to be on till 29th, that is Sunday. at the courtyard, near the courtyard, Palladium. So please go and experience it. Thank you, Sonakshi. Thank you, Vivek.
Thank you guys, and
Thank you, everybody.
don't miss out on that on the gaming thing.